Morning, Mike here at Wilton Auto and Tire Center. A little bit of safety and also maintenance going on with cars, and in fact we're talking about jump starting a vehicle and batteries. Most people take batteries for granted, that hey, battery's dead, let me get the cables, throw them on there and start it up and drive away, maybe go get a new one or recharge it. But a lot of people don't realize that battery can be explosive. In fact, when they start to sulfate, sometimes you'll see a little corrosion on the terminals. That's probably the time to replace that battery. What happens is it actually produces hydrogen gas, okay? So all you need is a spark under the right conditions, and it's going to go kaboom. It's like a small bomb. Remember the Hindenburg, right? It's hydrogen, right? Hit a thing, it sparked, and the whole thing burnt and exploded, and the whole deal. So Ben, if you would just zoom in, you can see here, somebody tried to jump start this and probably had a bad connection, and the battery just exploded. And a lot of plastic fragments. You can look inside and see the lead, right? All that stuff's coming around, man, and it's like a projectile, like a bomb going off. Don't see it very often. This is probably the third or fourth one in my 30-year career. It happened to me once many years ago. I had hooked up and took a step back and turned the battery charger on and went up, and let me tell you, it was about the loudest thing I've ever heard. So when you are jump starting a car, that's why they tell you use the positive end and then put the negative end on the motor or on a bracket or something like that, so that connection is away from the battery. So it's not that, nobody ever had a battery blow up on them, so they're like, oh, I could hook it right to the battery. But that's why. And so you just got to be safe out there. When in doubt, call your service professional. Wilton Auto and Tire Center.